Greetings from John Kielec. I'm the admin of the DailyNetPay and its private trade shares, and I'm doing update even though today is Saturday, November 9th. This update is for the trading results for the week of Monday, November 4th until yesterday, which was Friday, November 8th. And what you are looking on the screen right now, let's get right down to the business. The week's profits were 4.65%. And we are trading currently with Awanda and FX Choice. These are two brokers that I'm associated. With Awanda, we had one win. Okay, we had no losses, and we have currently opened 3 trades. FX Choice, we had 7 wins, no losses. As you can see, no losing trades this week. And with FX Choice, we have open trades 10. So a total of 8 wins, no losses, and 13 trades. We have actually more open trades left for the next week than what I have traded all this week. Some are in profits, some are, break even, and some of them are just below our entries points. And I'm going to go to charts and explain you that, okay, but first of all, we have earned actually more than our 3.5% weekly target. Rest of the profit, anything that we earn above 3.5%, will go to top up the DNP reserve fund, as I had to dip in for the last 3 private trade share payouts as the trading profits were below our weekly target. And my weekly target is always to get the 3.5%. But in the last 3 previous weeks, we had a week's profit that was 0.91%, and October 21st to 25th was 2.74%. And October 14th, October 18 was 3.08. That wasn't bad. But so we had 4.65. And like I say, these 13 open trades are, some of them are in profits, but some are not, and some are break even. So I'm just going to go to the charts and just show you what was happening and why we have so many open trades. Okay, USD Canadian dollar, okay, this is one of the open trades that we have short over here, and we're kind of in the minus in here, so I'm going to hold this till next week. But currently the trend went against us, and we had no trades for this. We didn't trade any Euro USD. British Pound NSD, we took a nice profit in here. We have 2 open trades as the market. You can see it's up and down, but it's on the way down again. And we have 2 open trades down here, and hopefully the market is going to go below this major support, which is way below our first open entry. So this is what's happening in here. British Pound and the Canadian dollar. Okay, we had a few hedge trades in here from prices up to gold prices down. It's actually went down a lot more, but we took those trades and took some profits in here. And there was no open trades in this category. Aussie dollar, Australian dollar, and USD. Okay, we have long-term trade in here for prices down. You can see it went up, now it's coming down. I believe next week our long-term, these 2 trades, open trades, will pay off. So it's been a roller coaster for the time being. Euro AUD, all right, there's another, we had no trades during this week, but we do have open trades, 3 of them. You can see they're way up there. So the market, once again, it reversed against us. It went down, and our stop loss, it's somewhere over here. So we're still, but it's going, kind of going up. But I believe this market is going to, maybe it should be next week. We should reach our first entry and put us in a nice profit. Okay. Next, Canadian Japanese dollar. All right. This is we had a nice profit in here. This was kind of like a little, 3-4 day trade. We started over here, market turned against us. Our stop loss was down at 81.85 and didn't hit. Came close. Then we reversed and we eventually got into profit over here. We got limit profit. But we have another open trade way up here. There was another like a longer term, and I believe we have another open trade in here, which is actually in profit. Okay, and I believe I could have exited with a little bit of profit, but I know the market is just turning around and it's gonna probably go up. Hopefully, it's gonna go above our the longer term trade up there, and if these profits go up there, it's gonna be nice. Actually, if all these trades were, reached our target, we would have had like 14-15% return this week. But we have these open trades, so we're just gonna poke around. And lastly, Bitcoin. Okay, there's a bunch of trades in here. We actually did pretty good with Bitcoin, and we have some profits in here, and we have 3 open trades. All right, this is the support way down here. Okay, this is our actually stop loss. This is the major resistance, that blue line, and this is like a trend. It's in an uptrend, temporarily downtrend. But I believe this trend is going to be broken possibly next week. And if these open trades go up there, I'm going to love that. Okay, so this is what's been happening with these trades. All right. So if I go back and, okay, let me go back here. All right, so like I said, we have earned more than 3.5%, and rest of it, the profits will go to top up our DNP reserve funds, which I already showed you. But maybe one major thing I want to tell you about, since I quit using crypto exchange brokers, I do trade Bitcoin. It's BTC USD through our FX Choice broker, which is only traded 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Okay, so I only these British, what am I saying British? BTC or Bitcoin, it's only USD. It is not all exchanges have that, but FX Choice does it. But like I say, 5 days a week, it's enough trading for me. Before I traded, I traded on crypto exchanges like BitMEX and Bybit, just to name few. They're good. But to earn, like I know I have a couple traders who they, big in Bitcoin, they use about BitMEX and Bybit, but they earn about 5 to 10 grand a month. But as soon as they have $1,000 or a little bit like that, they withdraw the money from there. They don't keep large amounts of money in BitMEX or Bybit. Because these exchanges, or most of the crypto exchanges, are not regulators, so they are risky. And this is the reason I switched to FX Choice, because we used BitMEX in the past, and I heard some rumors in there. As soon as I heard that, I pulled the money out, and that's it. 5 days a week is good enough. So I like using like FX. Forex market exchanges like Oenda and FX Choice, because they are regulated and controlled. So not all FX Forex market exchanges trade Bitcoin, but FX Choice is a perfect example. And actually, we trade BTC against the US dollar. So that's Monday through Friday. And that's it, okay? Because Forex market's only open through Monday through Friday. Now, another major reason many of you heard about Bitfinex crypto exchange. All trading accounts, funds in Bitfinex are currently frozen. So they're saying the CEO was stealing the money, or they had some kind of Bitcoin hackers attack. the investigation stepped in. Who knows what has exactly happened in there, but many crypto opportunities who offer and trade crypto using Bitfinex have their accounts or funds frozen at this time. And this is including Modern Money Team. Okay, we have shares in there. Hopefully then it's going to pay us the principal only, as he did in the past with other opportunity that was in. But I got no news on that yet. So actually, crypto exchanges, like, you got to be careful. And this is something I'm careful when I'm going into Bitcoin. If they use the opportunity that is using trading Bitcoin on crypto exchanges, well, it can happen. It can happen. Your Bitcoin could be gone, okay, with that company. So this is something that Bitfinex, it's happening right now. But BitMEX, the same thing. There was claim that, there was update, and apparently their main guy who does all the updates for BitMEX put all the emails with the update, which is readily available for hackers to get into their accounts. Of course, he got fired, as far as I know, but still, things like that should not happen when there's millions of dollars. But anyways, the safest way or the safest opportunities are the ones who offer trading that are transparent, and they show you the trades, like DailyNetPay and private trade shares that actually use the Forex markets. And another one that we are part of, and that is the Cash FX Group. Okay, and many of you know this is doing quite well. We have actually $50 shares because you can join in there with Cash FX Group with $300. Many of you don't have that $300. Those who want to get in, they can get in here. I got all the details and stuff like that. And they have the packs and how much you can earn from there. You get paid on a weekly basis every Friday. Our goal, next goal, we're already at the 10K level, $10,000. Next week we're going to be start trading with a $7,000 trading account. $3,000 goes into Academy Pack. Then our next goal is 20K, $20,000. Then we're going to have our first meeting. We're going to decide what we're going to do with our profits, how much to take out, how much to compound. This is the members decide. Majority votes win. So that's going beautiful. And they use, Forex market. Anybody comes through here or get your own account and stuff like that, and you're already going to start with some accounts. So, once again, like I say, my thing is, crypto exchanges are good. If you are using such opportunities, kind of be careful, because I don't know how many companies have used Bitfinex and are hurting right now because all the funds are locked. And that same thing, if FX choice or ends, locked their money in, there wouldn't be no PTS payouts, right? But they are government regulated, so they cannot do what Bitfinex just kind of disappears, even though there's police investigations, but who knows what's going to happen. All right, so anyways, this is Saturday afternoon, late afternoon. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and hopefully the next week our profit's going to be even higher, and all of these open trades will go right above our targets, and hopefully we can go way above 10%. God bless. Have a safe weekend. Thank you.